Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Steve Wallace. I'm going to be your instructor for um, elementary statistics this semester. And the purpose of this video is to give you a few um, things to look at and to get you started on this first week of the spring semester of our online class. So first things first, when you get to our uh, D2L or Brightspace page, notice that there are going to be announcements here. I'm going to post announcements at least once a week um, to let you know what you should be working on, or if there's any questions and from some of your classmates, and I've made a video or written a response that could help you with your work. The content browsers where you're going to find most of the stuff. Alex is where you're going to go most of the time. But note, when I do announcements, I will also post them in the discussion board called From Your Instructor. So the announcements will disappear periodically to make way for new ones, but the discussions, the a log of those announcements will always be in the discussion area. Another place that you will need to frequent to figure out, when things are going to be due is the calendar. You go to the calendar. I have laid out sort of a suggested schedule or pace for the course. So at any given day, you could say, "Oh, I should be working on this in Alex," or finishing out those videos or doing this assignment, and that's an outline for that as well. Of course, if you have any questions, you should email me. Use the email application in D2L. I like that way better than the one just sending it to my MGA account. So please use this one whenever possible. It adds extra bit of privacy and security to do it that way rather than external email. The response time for emails will be within 24 hours during the week. That's Monday through Thursday, or within 48 hours on the weekends or on holidays. Although I'm always checking it, so you don't have to wait probably 2 days, even on the weekend. The syllabus is here, so you want to click on that. You should also, on the very first day, click on the Start Here and go through all that. Uh, and when you do that, well, let's look at the syllabus right quick, because this has when my office hours are, so you can get in contact with me via email or during my office hours, which are listed here. You can either come to campus and go to my office and in the math building of the Macon campus, or you can click on the virtual office hours link and click right there to go to MS Teams. I'll be there waiting, and all you have to do is send me a chat in there, and we can have a video conference if necessary, or we can just do the chat. All right, first thing you're going to do when you come in here, besides read the announcements, is click on the Start Here. That's going to give you an overview of the course, just like I'm giving you now. It's also going to make you do some of the no-show requirements. So the requirements that you need to do in the first week include the entry quiz. Entry quiz is here. It's very easy. And you'll more importantly, even than that, is to set up your Alex account. So the way you do that, it's really easy. It's set up for inclusive access, which means you don't need to buy anything right away. It's already set up for you once we get through the drop ad period. The cost of the service will be added to your account that you'll have to pay the same way you pay your tuition by the end of the semester. Now, it's not going to look like this for you. When you click on here, this is all you got to do to set it up. You're going to start out by doing some tutorials. Okay. Once you finish those tutorials, you'll do an initial knowledge check. That is one of the things you have to do in the first week to be counted as attending. Once we do that, so you're gonna do some like I said, tutorial stuff tells you how to do it. You start your initial knowledge check. Uh, Try to answer these as well as you can. If there are some you don't know, you can say I don't know, but don't just click I don't know for everything. If you know how to do it, try to do it. Okay. Once you do that, then you'll be set up with some stuff in your Alex Pi. Now the Pi is not primarily how we're using Alex in this class. So if you've used Alex before, you know that this is an artificial intelligence that tells you how to go through your topics and master the topics that are in the course as at your own pace, or in a pace that it deems is appropriate for you. But the Alex topics here are just prerequisites. No, where you're going to use Alex mostly is in the assignments. So you go to assignments, and you'll need to take a system check quiz first. Once you do that, then you'll be started on your assignments, and they start out with a video. Once you do the video, then the homework for that section will become available. You have to finish a previous item before you can get to the next one. That includes the quizzes. So Unit 1 quiz, you have to finish homework 3.3 before you can even see the quiz, even though the quiz is not proctored. Now we also have tests. There are 2 tests in here, 2 exams. They are proctored exams, a midterm and a final. The system check quiz is meant to check whether your computer and webcam and microphone are set up for use with respondus monitoring, which is the way we're going to proctor exams. Now, there's a whole bunch of other resources and things here in Alex that you should browse through. Whenever you're in an assignment, there will be also help items on the right-hand side of the screen that you can click on to help you work through those assignments. You have to complete at least one attempt on each assignment to work through those items. And when you are in the calendar and it says 1.1 here, that by the end of that time period, you should have completed the video and the homework for that section by that time to stay on pace with the course. Now, if you take the system check quiz and respondus monitoring is not working for you, you need to contact me as soon as possible with an email, and we can figure that out for the midterm and final. Okay, another thing, do not use artificial intelligence or any help from any other website or person to help you with the graded assignments. A tutor can help with the homework, but no one can help you for quizzes or tests. And if you need extra help, uh, come to me or go to the tutoring uh, go to here to get help from the Mark or from other tutoring resources we have. Okay. Um, I am gonna stop the video now, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all, and have a great semester. See ya.